Hey, it's me again. I feel like I'm in that movie. What was it? Something Day. Oh, God, what is it? Groundhog Day. Yeah, because you can't tell, but this is another day. The last day, which was literally 2 days ago, it's Tuesday. That was Sunday, I think. I was trying to put the blinds in, and anyway, it's 2 days later. I'm just checking on the RV. I really don't work except on Wednesdays and Thursdays as far as like family. I call it family admin, like running errands and all this stuff. Oh, speaking of which, there's an important errand I have to run, but all that stuff. But I'm here and I'm thinking I might try to get a blind up. It's been harder than I thought because the old blinds, even though it's the same manufacturer, are technically different than the new blinds, which means that the little metal latches are different. Anyway, I'm having a hard time just getting this old blind off here. The old blind, and I can't get it off these clips. Make some space here. You know, the more I work on the RV, the more I realize just how cheaply it's been made. And this was supposed to be one of the higher quality ones from the old days. Anyway, let me see if I can get this sucker off. Anyway, here are the new... Can you see what I'm doing? I think you can. It's dark though. Really not the best camera location. This is a little bit better. Yeah. Anyway, let me go get my drill. I should clean this area. Luckily my business is doing good and I can finally start improving things here. You can't tell, these are the brackets. They're smaller than these. Sucks because I could have just popped in the old ones, but no, we cannot. We can always something. Anyway, let me go get my drill. All right, I'm back. Maybe we should start by cleaning these windows, huh? Baby wipes, the ultimate cleaner for happy days. It's true though, these things, you should definitely have a pack because it's just great for cleaning stuff. So let's see, because who knows when I'll ever get back here. What is that? I don't remember putting that there. I don't know what that is. Oh, it fell from behind the thing. Okay, whatever. You know, I'm just looking at the sloppy workmanship on this RV. Like, they just threw this thing together. I'm keeping it, though. I'm just going to invest in it, you know? People are like, why don't you buy a newer RV? People are such consumers. They just think you gotta buy new everything all the freaking time. There's nothing wrong with this RV, you know? It's perfectly fine. It just needs some TLC. A little cosmetic work. That's all it freaking needs. Okay, I'm gonna wash these windows. Yeah. I don't know why I'm doing this today. It's like a work day. I mean, it's like 5:30, but still on the Tuesday. But I just felt like doing it, so I'm gonna do it. You know, not when you should do things, really. You think you know, but you don't really know. Your spirit knows. Listen to your spirit. Okay, I think we are ready. I'm just procrastinating, obviously. I'm procrastinating. Okay, let's put these new screws in. Where is my... Wait. Okay, I gotta get some more coffee. You know what it is? It's a mocha. Just in case you don't know what a mocha is, I'm really shocked how many people don't know what a mocha is. But I remember my first experience with gourmet coffee, with a friend in college, was like, have you ever had coffee? And up until that point, all I'd ever had was Dunkin' Donuts or so, just coffee out of the, you know, out of the percolator, and I didn't know nothing about no lattes and all that. You know, he was a rich kid from a rich family, you know. So he took me to this coffee shop called Van Gogh's Ear. It's not around anymore, but anyway, and he was like, get a mocha. And basically a mocha is like chocolate in the coffee. You know, with espresso. It's espresso, and what's espresso? In case, look, you probably know, but if you don't know, espresso is just like really concentrated coffee. Like they use this process to make it really concentrated, so it has really rich flavor. Add that to the chocolate, and it's just mwah, so good. I'm so addicted to it, honestly. I had like one a day at one point. Anyway, I don't do one a day anymore. All right, let's get this drill going. Drill bit. I need the one that, oh, this should be good. Okay, so take this off. This is the old thing. Keep these. They're always breaking. Wrong one. Oh. Hey, I can get my saw and I can finish my wooden table. Let me show you what's happening here. So basically, the brackets can't be where these are. On the old design, it didn't matter, but on this one, it does, which sucks. It's extra work. Why? So the old ones were like this high, and these are like a half an inch shorter. Like, how much money did they save, and how much work did they add to me? Anyway, whatever. Let's see if they work now. Oh, yeah. God damn it. My knee. Come on. All right, let's see if it works now. Finally. Like, what the hell? So this goes up there like this. No one told me this was gonna be this much work. You pop them in on the top. Wait, did I? No, I did. It should work. Why is it not working? There we go. There it is. And then you just pop them in. The easy part. Come on. Go in, damn it. Wow. It's not popping in. Why? I hate this company. This is too much work for some freaking blinds, man. I thought this would be easy and quick. No such thing as an easy job with the RV. Everything is hard. Okay, I did what they said. Ow, freaking stupid thing. There we go. It didn't want to go. Wow. That was some freaking work. Oh my God. Oh. Jeez, man. My fingers, god damn. Okay. These on, these little end pieces. They're right here. This one's broke. These tend to break. These are too long. I'll just use the old ones. There's the other old one. Where did I put it? Oh, here it is. Alright, to the other side. Actually, the other side's fine. I'm not even gonna fix it. Let's see if it works now. Let's see, do they work? So far, so good. Let's put it in the thing there. Hey, there we go. Mission accomplished. Is this the new one? Yes, it is. This is the new stick. So we'll put this here. You know, as far as urban boondocking with an RV, it's important that your windows look neat and clean. See, they're all messed up, and the trashier it looks, the more harassment you're gonna get, because people just imagine that you're doing bad or breaking bad. Anyway, let's see if it works. Jeez, come on. You know, I had this problem with the last one. They're not closing. Why? They're too close to that thing. Oh my God, I have to move them. This happened last time where the bracket was interfering with the mechanism here. So they didn't want to close. Oh God, I can't do this again. This has not been a good day at all. It's like the fourth thing that went wrong, right? Where's my mallet? Maybe I have a hammer here. Let's see. Aha. Maybe I can just hammer it over. There. Moved a little bit. Come on. This is not good. At least I can close it that way for now. I might have to return these. I think it's the thing. Like I should have tested it first. Well, at least that'll work for now. We'll try to move it some more. Oh, that was it. It works now. Wow. Yay. It works. Yay. All right. That was a lot of work, man. A lot more work. Anyway, I'm done. I'm going home. Yes. Why is that one not turning there? Alright, it's good enough. Well, they're cheap blinds. It costs like $15, but you make up for it in time. That's enough for today. God. That was, well, at least I know what, it should be half the time because I know exactly what to do next time. But they made these cheaper than they used to be, you know, and that sucks. It wasn't as hard last time. I mean, it was hard, but it wasn't this hard. All right, check you later.